Today we're talking about our adorable, wrinkly-faced companions, French Bulldogs. Specifically, can French Bulldogs catch a cold? Let's dive into it. First things first, dogs, including French Bulldogs, can catch respiratory infections that resemble the common cold in humans. These infections can cause symptoms like sneezing, coughing, a runny nose, and even watery eyes. So what causes these cold-like symptoms? Most often, they're caused by viruses, such as canine parainfluenza or adenovirus. Unlike humans, though, dogs can't catch colds directly from us. That's right, the viruses that make us sick are species-specific. However, French Bulldogs are a brachycephalic breed, meaning they have shorter snouts. This makes them prone to respiratory issues in general. Cold weather, allergens, or even dry air can exacerbate their symptoms. So, how can you tell if your Frenchie is under the weather? Look out for these signs. 1. Persistent sneezing or coughing. 2. Nasal discharge that's clear or yellowish. 3. Fatigue or reduced appetite. If you think your pup might have a cold, here are some things you can do to help. Keep them warm and comfortable. Offer plenty of fresh water to keep them hydrated. Use a humidifier to ease any congestion. And remember, if symptoms persist for more than a few days, it's time to consult your veterinarian. You can also offer dogs safe, low-sodium chicken broth to encourage hydration and soothe their throat. But avoid over-the-counter cold medications. They're not safe for dogs. So, can French Bulldogs catch a cold? Not exactly the way humans do, but they can get respiratory infections with similar symptoms. The key is to monitor them closely and provide a little extra TLC. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your furry friends happy and healthy. See you next time.